주면서 함께 생각. Hello, everyone. Somebody show me kapasi. Seasons about oceans on the sky. Hello, guys. Hello. I showed you yesterday. Thank you, Triana. Hello, guys. Wow. Friendships only concentration and goodness. Hello, good evening, Nabkumar. Thank you all. I'm fine. How about you? Sessions, but how can I be the first? Oh, oh, hello, guys. It's night here, so wow. Hello. Hi. Hey, good evening, everyone. No, I'm not a student. I'm not a student, Kumar. Thank you. Love you all. Shut to my life constitution. Where's my hand? Wow. I'm from Philippines. Oh, hello. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you expect this? Oh, good. Hello. Oh my god. Guys, 5 minutes only. Hmm. Really? Oh. Hello. 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 Thank you so much, Kumar. Thank you. Okay. Nothing. I'm lying in bed. Wow. I love you too, guys. Thank you, Ali Mama. Ali Mama. Oh. Oh, really? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank... Oy. Thank you. guys. Okay. She's a chuka 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 chuka. Hello. Hi. It's open light. This light here is open. My light is open. Of course. Forgot. Yes. Hello. Um. Oh. Wow. Really? Oh, thank you so much. Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for your comments. Sweet. Oh, thank you, Adam Karam. Sahil. Why? Oh. Hello. Hi. Just add me if you want. And I add you. Okay? Ay, thank you so much. Uy, sarap. Oh my God. Sarap. Ang sarap. I'm not shy. Sometimes I'm shy. But I don't know how many people. I think mm, I don't know. Wow. Hello, Vici. Hi, hi. Calvin William Aria. Just add me if you want to be friends on me or wow. Thank you. What it is? Oh my God. Guys, just add me, okay? Your thing. Thank you for more comments. I'm here in Manila. Stay only here. Hi, Rafael Zauza. Hi, Zadu Islam. Hello. Just add me if you want. And um, what? Mom Don? I don't know what are you talking about. Sorry. Are you DF? I'm fine. Hello, Marcus. Nakakakita ako ng puwet. Ha? Junior Clementes Cosar, what are you talking about? Yung reference ko tayo. They get out. Oh my God. Mas? I don't know that. Oh, guys, I received your friend request, okay? Oh my God, eh. So cool. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, hola, hola, hi, hi. Other country, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Smile, 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 little girls. Thank you. Okay, I receive it. If you add me. Hello. I did not read your name because I like Chinese. I'm so sorry. Opportunity, full time, part time. Sure. Out. I meet you first, then play my match because. What? Tarito. I'm from Philippines. I'm here. Oh, you're Chinese. You see? I got it. Canada says hi. Canada, hi. Oh, dyan. Hi, dyan lang. Oh, nice place. Wow. I accept you all, guys, okay? Don't worry. But I didn't accept bad comments. Okay. You're in Manila, Zaf. Very, very much. Where are you from? Wow, nice. Hi, Cham S. Sam. Mm, thank you. You're so hot too. Okay, you like it? Yeah, it's late here. I sleep 5 minutes, then I wake up, then I go to bathroom, then I'm take a bath. After that, here I am now in bed to leave so that we can sleep. Plaza Hotel. Yes, add me if you wanna. You add me? Okay, let's see it. What are you doing there? Oh, Zain Asif Khan. Hold and press your one. Let's see how. So, yeah. Oh, guys, thank you for all comments, huh? I didn't expect more comments that I received today. Oh, I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Hi, Wafa. Hi, Afnan Khan. What are you hiding behind these Kyrgyz eyes? I don't know yet. I don't know my eyes. Okay, where are you? Oh, okay. I will receive it later. After this 5 minutes. Okay. I see. A B C D E F G. Oh, really? Okay. Sweet girl, you did not hold and press. I'm sorry. Hi, hi, guapo too. Hi to all guaps. Okay. 5 minutes. I'm not open to many people.